To accelerate the mechanization of Indian agriculture, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research established the Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering (CIAE) at Bhopal in 1976.
CIAE is actively engaged in research and development on mechanization for production and post-production agriculture, for efficient utilization of inputs and resources at the farmer's field. Since its establishment in 1976, the institute has developed more than 100 technologies related to crop production, post-harvest technology and value addition, renewable energy and water management. With a team of highly qualified scientists and technical experts, future R&D at the institute has been focused to promote commercial agriculture with its mandated activities.
The mandate: research and development in agricultural mechanization, networking for R&D collaboration at national level, human resource development, technology sharing and transfer. The organizational structure of CIAE for carrying out its R&D and technology transfer activities consists of 6 divisions: Agricultural Mechanization Division, Agro-Produce Processing Division, Agricultural Energy and Power Division, Irrigation and Drainage Engineering Division, Center of Excellence on Soybean Processing and Utilization and Technology Transfer Division. 2 Research and Extension Centers: Krishi Vigyan Kendra at CIAE Bhopal and a regional center at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. The Agriculture Mechanization Division carries out R&D on technology and machinery for production agriculture, conservation agriculture and precision farming. The prominent technologies developed by the division are 3-row seed cum fertilizer drill, pneumatic planter, inclined plate planter, multi-millet planter, plastic mulch laying machine, raised bed planter, broadbed farmer cum seeder, vegetable transplanter, hydraulic platform for orchard management, self-propelled reapers, high-capacity threshers, straw reaper with built-in trailer. The Agro-Produce Processing Division carries out R&D related to appropriate machinery and processes for post-harvest operation, value addition and loss reduction. The important technologies developed are pedal cum power operated grain cleaner, dal mill, millet mill, potato peeler and slicer, ripening chamber, fruit and vegetable graders. The Agricultural Energy and Power Division executes R&D programs on efficient utilization of non-renewable and renewable energy sources. Agricultural Energy and Power Division has developed promising technologies like double reflector solar cooker, fixed dome type biogas plant, multi-fuel cooking stove, solar tunnel dryer, biomass briquetting for electricity generation, and solar-based refrigeration system for preservation of perishable commodities. Irrigation and Drainage Engineering Division executes R&D programs on irrigation and drainage equipment systems for improving systems efficiency to save water and energy. Technologies developed are the real-time precision irrigation system for auto application of water as demanded by the plant, fertigation system for precise application of nutrients to get more crop per drop, the tractor-drawn mole plow technology, and the permanent subsurface drainage system improves drainage in waterlogged soils. This significantly increases the productivity of waterlogged areas. The Center of Excellence on Soybean Processing and Utilization is engaged in developing technologies leading to domestic and industrial use of soybean for nutritional security. The technologies developed by the division includes soya paneer plant and products like soya milk, soy paneer, defatted soya flour, soy biscuits, multi-nutrient biscuits, soy butter and other soy fortified products. Technology Transfer Division is mainly engaged in promotion and commercialization of equipment and technologies developed by the institute. The important activities undertaken by the division are capacity building of subject matter specialists, extension officers, manufacturers, entrepreneurs, and foreign participants. Conduct outreach activities like exhibitions, demonstration, and interaction meets across the country. Production of prototypes and supply throughout the country. The regional center at Coimbatore has developed and commercialized several technologies suitable for southern states. Thus, the Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering is committed to increase the growth of Indian agriculture through development of modern farm machines and techniques.